Are you thinking of creating a faceless YouTube channel in 2024? Then you have come to the right video. The niche I am going to show you in this video is very easy to make a video. And you will get a minimum RPM of $10 to $15 on this niche. That is, you will get $15 on 1,000 views. By working on this niche, you can earn $10,000. And the chances of going viral on this niche are very high, but if you work properly. I will not waste your time and clear the entire topic in minimum time. I will give you an example of a channel first. After that, you have to make a video like this. I will give you all the details. From where you have to take the script of the video, where to do the voiceover, and also its editing. I will tell you everything in detail. So without wasting any time, we start the video. The niche I am going to tell you is animated story. And making videos on this niche is very easy. So first of all, check this channel, The Word of Wisdom. This channel makes animated story videos, and this channel has 983,000 subscribers. Now let me calculate his earnings and tell you that in the last 30 days, there have been 1.1 million views on it. His channel, and if we calculate it, it is almost $16,500, and he has earned only 1 month from this channel. So if this channel is earning, then you too can earn so many dollars by making videos like this. And also the competition is very low on this niche. So now let me tell you how to make such a video. First of all, we need a script. So for that we have two options. One is to generate a script with the help of AI tool, and the other is to go to Google. Then you can take the script from there. So we will generate the script with the help of AI tool. For this, we will first go to ChatGPT. You have to create an account on it. Then you have to write on it, give me 200-word script on animated story. So ChatGPT will make a 200-word script into seconds. So you have to copy the script and paste it in Notepad like I am copying line by line. Now you have to do the voiceover of this script. So for that, we will record our voice, so that is the best option. But if you want to generate voice with the help of AI tool, then for that I recommend you AI. I would suggest the tool. The AI tool I am suggesting is free of cost. Its name is VoiceMaker. First of all, you have to create an account on it. Then you have to select the artist's voice on it up one by one. You have to select whichever one you like after listening to it. After that, you have to paste your script there and click on Convert Speech. Then your voice will be generated into seconds. You just downloaded it. Now you need related images for your script. For that we will use Leonardo.ai, but here you will need a prompt to generate the image. It will then generate an accurate image for you, so don't worry. I have a solution for this. Related lets us generate prompt from which to generate our images. You have an ego in chat, and you have to paste your story and write it in chat GPT to generate a prompt related to this story, from which we can generate our images.
Now you have the voiceover of your script, and in addition to the related images of the story, now you have to edit them. For that we will use a free software called CapCut. Simple has to open it, and then you have to import your images and voices into it first. Then you have to bring the voice into the timeline first, and then you have to bring the images one by one and set them according to your voice. After that, if you want to add some effects etc. to your photos, go to the effects section and add the effects you like one by one to your videos.
After that, you have to click on the text and click on Auto Caption. Then CapCut will automatically add all your styles. In this way, you can make your videos with the help of easy AI tool. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.